To fish or not to fish? That is the question. If it's fishing one day and the next day cruising, you'll want to check out the Cascade rear fish and quad fish. If cruising is your aim but you need a fishing equipped space, then choose rear fish with a wide rear deck for fishing and plenty of room for lounging up front. If you have 4 anglers in the group, then a quad fish is for you. Either way, you'll get super sturdy fishing chairs, the Ensign 2 fiberglass helm stand, and a setup complete with fishfinder, livewell, and rod holders. Tahoe offers an amazing array of options for you to personalize your Cascade fish. With Cascade Fish, you won't have to ask your friends to go fishing. They'll be fishing for an invitation from you. Cascade highlight features include a fiberglass Ensign 2 helm stand with gray wood dash, a gold stereo system featuring a high-power Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, a GPS speedometer, a premium interior with composite wall cladding, and 4000 series plush Matrix 50 furnishings.